Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to insert images in tables on Notion. This is a great way to visually organize information, whether you're tracking products, managing a portfolio, or creating a content calendar with visual references. First, navigate to your Notion workspace by selecting it from the sidebar. Once you're in, open the page that contains your existing table, or if you're starting fresh, create a new table database. This will be the foundation for adding your visual elements. Next, look at the top of your table where all your column headers are displayed. On the right end, you'll see A+ button. Click this button to add a new property to your table. This is where you'll create a dedicated column for your images. Go ahead and name this new property column something clear like images so you and your team know exactly what type of content belongs there. Now comes the important part. When the property type drop-down menu appears, select Files and Media from the options. This property type is specifically designed to handle images, documents, and other media files within your Notion tables, making it the official supported method for embedding visual content. With your column created, click on an empty cell in this Files and Media column for whichever row needs an image. A prompt will appear giving you options. Click the Upload button to select an image file directly from your computer, while you could also embed a link. Uploading ensures your images are stored securely within Notion. Browse through your computer files and choose the image you want to add. Notion supports various file types, including standard image formats and even GIF files if you want to add animated pictures. Confirm your selection and give it a moment to upload. Once the upload completes, you'll see a thumbnail of your image appear right inside that table cell. If you want to view the image in more detail, simply click on the thumbnail. This opens a larger preview where you can zoom in and out or download the image if needed. To add images to other rows, just repeat the process. Click the empty cell in your Files and Media column, upload your chosen image, and wait for the thumbnail to appear. When you're finished adding all your images, click outside the table or on any other page element to exit editing mode. Your table is now enhanced with visual content that makes information easier to scan and more engaging to interact with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.